How to set up Xero receipt tracking. Want to track receipts in Xero? Here's the beginner-friendly guide to setting it up and using it. So first, make sure the Xero Expenses feature is active. So to do that, click on Purchases and then you'll find Expenses. And then once you're in here, make sure to enable it. So this unlocks receipt tracking and expense claims. Set up tracking categories. Download the Xero Me app. Tap Expenses, New Claim, and snap a photo of your receipt. And then submit Xero auto-extracts the detail. And then submit and Xero auto-extracts the details. Set up tracking categories like department, project, or location. Assign each receipt to a category for better reporting. When recording expenses manually, attach the receipt image. This keeps your books audit ready. Connect your bank account. Imported transactions will match against receipts and expense claims. Approve matches to reconcile. Xero receipt tracking makes bookkeeping simple. Snap, categorize, attach, and reconcile. No more paper clutter. And that is how to set up Xero receipt tracking.